Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's see how to make dry fruit ladoos. I'm mainly making this for my toddler. So this is a great healthy snack for babies, toddlers and kids. Here I'm dry roasting 1 cup of almonds. And then I'm going to dry roast 1 cup of cashew nuts. And then I'm going to dry roast 1 cup of walnuts. You can also add pistachios or sunflower seeds, pine seeds. I'm going to let the dry fruits to cool and then grind it into fine powder. Here I'm adding 4 tablespoons of ghee. And then I'm going to fry 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Fry it until it turns light brown. And then I'm adding 1 cup of dry dates powder. I have sun-dried the dry dates and grinded it into fine powder. Dry dates is a natural sweetener, helps in getting rid of indigestion and constipation, and they help in brain development. There are a lot of benefits in dry dates. To this, I'm going to add the dry fruits powder and give it a good mix. And then the next step is to make sugar syrup. This is to bring the mixture together, and this helps in making ladoos so that it all holds up together. Add the sugar syrup to the mixture and give it a good mix. I have transferred the mixture to a parchment paper to make ladoos, and then you're done. So these dry fruit ladoos are packed with lots of vitamins, minerals and fiber. So this is a great healthy snack to your babies or toddlers. So try this at home and do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.